name is Sarah Van Rosen from the Goodell Miller team. Today, I'm so excited to introduce you this custom-built house in north of Burlington. The exact address is 6444 Cedar Springs Road. The location of this property is fantastic. It only takes about 20 minutes from here to downtown Burlington. And when you drive on the Cedar Springs Road, you will not be able to see this property. An 80 meters private driveway will lead you here. It's so private and discreet, low-key luxury. And the house was designed by David Small Designs, and it was built by Brian Ballmer's team. It combines the modern comfort and classic. If you are interested, I would be so happy to give you a private tour. Contact us.